Hey everyone, welcome back to Talkie English. Today's story is called Talking About Study, comma. You'll listen to Anna and Ben talking about school, study habits, and how they stay motivated. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new English conversation.
Hey Ben, how's school going?
It's okay. I have a lot of homework this week.
Oh, really? What subjects do you have?
English, math, and science. My favorite is English
Nice. Why do you like English?
because I like learning new words and watching movies in English.
That's cool. I like English too. It's fun to speak with people from other countries.
How do you study English, Anna?
I usually watch short videos and repeat what I hear.
That's a good idea. I listen to English songs and try to write the lyrics.
Oh, that sounds fun. I also use an app to practice vocabulary every day.
Wow, you study every day?
Yeah, just 15 minutes before bed. It really helps me remember new words.
Do you get nervous before exams?
Yes, I always feel a little nervous.
Same here. I sometimes forget everything when I see the test paper.
Laughs. Me too, but I try to relax and take a deep breath.
Good idea. I'll try that next time.
And I also sleep early before the exam. It helps me focus better.
I should do that too. I always stay up late to study. What do you do when you get tired of studying?
I take a short break and drink some tea or listen to music.
I like to play games for 10 minutes.
Be careful. Sometimes 10 minutes becomes 1 hour.
Haha, laughs. Yeah, that's true. I try to stop on time.
That's good. A short break is fine, but balance is important.
Why do you want to study English, Anna?
I want to travel and talk to people from different countries.
That's a great reason. I want to study abroad one day.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Where do you want to go?
Maybe Canada or Australia.
Nice. Let's both keep studying hard.
Yes, let's do it.
Great job listening! Today, Anna and Ben talked about studying, how they learn English, prepare for exams, and stay motivated. Remember, even 10 minutes of English every day can help you improve a lot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode if you enjoyed it. See you next time on Talkie English.